Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and get more informative videos on chemistry. Today I am discussing keynotes and multiple choice questions on micelles. Emulsion is a colloidal system in which both the dispersed phase and dispersion medium are immeasurable liquids. For example, milk, butter. Type of emulsions. First one, oil in water type. In these emulsions, oil in the dispersed phase and water in the dispersion medium. For example, milk, vanishing cream, etc. These are also called aqueous emulsions. Second one, water in oil type. In these emulsions, water is the dispersed phase and oil in the dispersion medium. For example, butter, cold cream, etc. These are also called oil emulsions. The aggregated particles formed from cluster of electrolyte particles at higher concentrations are named as micelles. Criteria for micelles formation, that is Kraft temperature and critical micelle concentration. The formation of micelles takes place only above a particular temperature called Kraft temperature. The minimum concentration at which micelles formed called critical micelle concentration. A compound or substance that act as stabilizer for emulsions, preventing the liquids from separating into two phases, are called emulsifier. For example, soap, gums, etc. Demulsification. The process of decomposing an emulsion into its constituent liquids is a demulsification. It can be achieved by freezing, boiling, filtration, centrifugation, electrostatic precipitation, and addition of electrolytes. Cellophane membrane or parchment membrane or pig's bladder are used as a dialyzing membrane. Electrophoresis is defined as the movement of colloidal particles towards oppositely charged electrode under the influence of electric field. It is used in electroplating of rubber on metal surface, painting of metal parts of cars from colloidal pigments. It is used for analysis of steroids, terpenoids and antibiotics. Electroosmosis is defined as the movement of liquid with respect to solid through parchment membrane as a result of an electric field. It is used in the preparation of pure colloids. It is also used in the tanning of hides and impregnation of similar materials. Electrodialysis is a process of removing a dissolved substance from a colloidal solution by means of diffusion through a suitable membrane and increasing the rate of dialysis under the influence of an electric field is called electrodialysis. It is used in separation of salt, bases and acids from organic compounds. It also helps to remove nitrate from drinking water. Substances that drastically lower the surface tension of water even at low concentration are called as surface active compound or surfactants. For example, sodium stearate, that is soap. Anionic surfactants. Anionic surfactants are those which dissociate in water to give negatively charged ions. For example, sodium oleate and sodium stearate. Cationic surfactants. Cationic surfactants are those which dissociate in water to give positively charged ions. For example, octadecyl ammonium chloride and cetyl trimethyl ammonium chloride. Next one, non-ionic surfactants. Non-ionic surfactants are those whose molecules cannot undergo dissociation and are uncharged. For example, long chain ethers, fatty acid esters, etc. Amphoteric or Zwitter ionic surfactants. Surfactants are those which dissociate in water to give positively and negatively charged ions. For example, long chain amino acid salts, betaines, etc. Now I am going to discuss some multiple choice questions asked from micelles. What is the molecular formula of stearate ion? C17H35COO-. Which part of the stearate ion is hydrophilic in nature? That is head. Which of the following is water insoluble? Sodium plus. The number of stearate ions required to form a micelle of colloidal size is 70. Select the incorrect statement from the following options. In the micelle formation, the water-soluble heads are directed towards the center. Select the correct statement from the following option. The soap micelle is stable due to the negative charge on its head. The transition of ions to micelle is reversible. Micelles behave as colloid only when concentration is greater than the critical micelle concentration (CMC). The conductivity of micelles is higher than a colloidal solution. What is a critical micelle concentration? The minimum amount of concentration that is required for the formation of micelles. At the critical micelle concentration, the surfactant molecule dissociates. An emulsifier is a substance which stabilizes the emulsion. Detergent action of synthetic detergents is due to their emulsifying properties. The Brownian movement occurs in colloidal solution, true solutions, suspension having size less than 500 millimicrons. Milk contains a protein that is casein, which is an emulsion. Boot polish, lipstick, shampoo. Clouds, mist, fog and aerosols are colloidal solution of liquid in gas type. Foam is a colloidal solution of gas in liquid. The Cottrell precipitator is used to neutralize the charge on carbon particles in air, coagulate the carbon atoms of smoke, bring in cataphorosis in carbon particles. Butter is a colloid from in which water in oil type. Surface active agent are the compound that lowers the surface tension between two liquids or between a liquid and a solid. The surfactants which contain both cationic and anionic centers attached to the same molecule is called as amphoteric surfactant. An emulsion cannot be broken by adding emulsifying agent. Which of the following is an example of an emulsifier? C17H35COO Na. Which of the following is not an example of a water in oil emulsion? That is milk. What is the difference between vanishing cream and cold cream? Vanishing cream is an oil in water emulsion, whereas cold cream is a water in oil emulsion. Which of the following is not a method to test the type of emulsion? That is coagulation method. Which of the following statements regarding emulsion is false? Emulsions cannot be separated into their constituent liquids. What is the dispersion of liquid in other liquid called emulsion? What type of emulsion is a milk? That is oil in water type. Water in oil emulsion is also called as oily emulsion. Which technique separates charged particles using electric field? Electrophoresis. The speed of migration of ions in electric field depend upon magnitude of charge and shape of molecule. When is electrophoresis not used? Separation of lipids. In electroosmosis method, when direct current is applied to the electrodes, the soil water will travel from positive electrode to negative electrode. What principle is used in electrodialysis? Electric fields and ion selective membranes. Electrodialysis employed in colloidal chemistry for purification. Why are the electrodes in electrodialysis neither oxidized nor reduced? Because they are chemically inert. What is called a dispersion phase? It is the secondary layer in which the colloidal particles are dispersed. What is called a dispersion medium? It is where the dispersed phase is suspended. The critical micelle concentration of surfactants depend the most crucial factor, that is strong water-water interaction, the hydrophobic effect. Surfactant solutions are termed as associated colloids when more than CMC. By this, we finish the multiple choice questions from micelles.